eat good, drink good, smoke, celebrate. This is how we celebrate. Got models popping bottles of that champagne. This is how we celebrate. Yeah, this is how we celebrate. This is how we celebrate. Birthday, pay raise, every day we celebrate life. This is how we celebrate. Party like the first day of summer break. Got bottles for your problems, push to elevate. Push the pedal to the metal, cause we running late. Cruising down the avenue, call my girl, hey boo, what you about to do? I'm about to swing through, eat me some good food. She do that for me cause she know I'm a good dude. Hey, that's a reason to celebrate. Get the blunts, get the kush, start the campaign. Get the liquor, get the cuss, pop the champagne. Call the people that I love and do the damn thing. Breathing is the reason to celebrate pop bottles this evening. Even to the ones that hate, I forgive you motherfuckers, toast to that, let's celebrate. Peso, peso, peso. This is how we celebrate. Eat good, drink good, smoke, celebrate. This is how we celebrate. Got models popping bottles of that champagne. This is how we celebrate. Yeah, this is how we celebrate. This is how we celebrate. Birthday, pay raise, every day we celebrate life.
Achievement like graduation, reason why we go and celebrate. Sit back, smoke good and meditate. If they hate, it's a good reason why we go and celebrate. Yeah, got love for everybody that loves life. Faces I haven't seen since my past right. So we burn, holla at bitches all night. Barbecues, house parties, and some cold ones. Drinking up, no worries, having mad fun. We're enjoying the best spots up in OB. Bar, hop, gas, lamp, hit or PB. You know my whole fam is with me. Good times, good vibes, and a whole lot of I love bad bitches and I'm not a role model. Save that drama for that soap opera. If you got fresh J's, cause they so proper, baby.
Peso, peso, peso. This is how we celebrate. Eat good, drink good, smoke, celebrate. This is how we celebrate. Got models popping bottles of that champagne. This is how we celebrate. Yeah, this is how we celebrate. This is how we celebrate. Birthday, pay raise, every day we celebrate life.